This is the brand new GH5 I just got from Kenmore Camera. This is the audio adapter, as they had that in stock as well. And it comes with a nice thick manual as well, but I suspect that's in many different languages as well. And it comes in a nice bag. And in another bag. This is the spanking new audio adapter for the GH5. And under this door, you have all these controls. As you can see, there's many controls on there. Line mic, and also phantom power, and levels of and frequency cutoff for wind and things of that nature, and there are adjustments right here. So, and you say, where does that go? Let's grab the. You take off the flash cover, and you just slide this in and lock it like so. Now it's in there. That ain't going anywhere. And under here are XLR mics inputs. Nice input jacks, 1 and 2. But this now essentially makes the GH5 a real video camera, because that's what's been missing. I haven't had a video camera with XLRs since I had a dedicated video camera. All of the DSLRs and cameras like that have not had an adapter like this. And the way they did it before on the GH4 was very cumbersome, where this is very convenient, and it weighs almost nothing. It's really, really light. And from what I read, a little light comes on too, is that there's preamps inside here, so you're not using the preamps of the camera. And so let's hook up some audio to it. You just have to pull these little rubber covers off, and you have channel 1 and channel 2. In channel 1, I'm going to plug in my Sennheiser receiver you see here, my digital Sennheiser receiver. Before, on the GH4, I could use this adapter and plug it into the mini jack, but I don't have to do that anymore, because now I can plug it directly into here, like so. And then I'll plug a cable into the other part, number 2, like so. Now they're both on there. And what we'll do is we'll actually turn the camera on, so you can actually see this light up. That means it detected the audio adapter and is now using it. I didn't even have to choose it from the menu. It just automatically did. The other cool thing is you can now do a bunch of settings over here on the other side under this little door. And there's all sorts of settings. You have line and mic right there. And what I want to do is go to 48 volts. And you'll see why in a moment why I want to go to 48 volts. I want to do the same thing on mic 2, go to 48 volts, which is below where it says mic. Alright, we will turn on the camera, and that powered up the Sennheiser receiver. And if you notice, there's audio down here. See, right there, there's audio because I have a microphone on me on the transmitter. So you're seeing me down there on the levels. But if you notice, it's on both channels. I don't want it on both channels because I've got another mic plugged into mic 2. So we have to go over to here and switch the switch over here from mono to stereo. And now you're going to see two different levels from two different microphones. Isn't that cool? And you go over here and there he is. Now there's levels are the same because I moved the other hand microphone closer. And we will test this really soon with the actual GH5, its audio. But I just wanted to show you how this hooks up. The cool thing is you can turn the camera off. It will shut this device off as well. When it powers down, it'll go red and then go off, or just go off. It just went off. And then you can actually remove this unit and go shoot B-roll or something like that. And then when you want to do another interview, you can just put it back on again, like so, and then power it back up again. And then, as you can see, that's red, and it will turn green when it syncs with my Sennheiser transmitter. But this is such a cool setup and they thought of it really nicely at Panasonic, because look at all those controls they give you. Just a variety of levels and everything else that is just very helpful for audio. The other cool thing, of course, is in the menus, you can see there it is. And it's giving me 48 16-bit. You can also choose 48 24-bit or 96 24-bit. That's really high quality audio. That's as good as any external recorder. So now if I'm in this mode, I should have really high quality audio, and we will test it right now. I am now testing my camera's audio with the audio adapter. This is 96 kilohertz 24-bit audio that you're listening to right now with the GH5. Now I am recording at 48 kilohertz at 24-bit with the GH5 and the new audio adapter. And these two microphones. This is a hypercardioid and I have a lavalier. Now I'm recording at 48 kilohertz and 16-bit, which is the normal regular audio rate that most people use for video. And that's what the GH4 does as well. But this is using a audio adapter for the GH5. This new audio adapter for the GH5 is very impressive, and I'm so glad Panasonic decided to make this for the camera. We finally have a true video camera with the GH5 because of this audio adapter. Stay tuned to Frugal Filmmakers for more reviews and comments and other exciting things about video and photography.